What's up, Tryharder people? It's your man Omar, and today my girlfriend Valentina is gonna share with us a recipe for some delicious protein brownies made with lentils. Are you ready? Okay, here's the ingredients you need for this recipe. First, about 250 grams of lentils. We already cooked them to save a little bit of time. Then 10 grams of cocoa powder, 1 whole egg, about 25 grams of flour, and 2 scoops of your favorite protein powder. In this case, we use a chocolate flavored one. The last ingredient is optional, some coconut powder to put on top of your brownies. To start, you need to mash the lentils. If you have it, use a blender. Add the lentils and some warm water and start the process. If you don't have a blender, no worries, you can always go with the old school methods and use a fork to mash them. It will take a little bit more time, but the result will be the same. Nice! Once you have obtained a smooth product, you can transfer it into a big bowl and proceed to add the other ingredients. First, you go with the egg. Then the cocoa powder to give it a really nice chocolate color. Now add the protein powder scoop by scoop and mix it up. From here, you can decide to add up more or less than 25 grams of flour. Just make sure that your mixer don't get too hard. Perfect! Now transfer the mixture into a baking mold. Use some baking paper to avoid any sticking problem and spread it out evenly. Set your oven on static and at 360 degrees. Once you get to the temperature, just put your baking mold inside and after about 25 minutes, your amazing brownies are gonna be ready. And that's it for this video. You can use this recipe as a vegetarian sweet finisher for a dinner or just for breakfast with some milk. You already know, the macros are gonna be amazing and you can always find them in the description box. Now don't forget to like and share this. I'll catch you very soon. See ya!